Today we're going to be doing another juice recipe in our 3 ingredient or less juice series, okay? Nice and simple. Let's see what it tastes like, you guys. I got 2 green apples, maybe like, I think this is a cup and a half maybe of spinach. Can't really depend on a cup for leafy greens because it depends on how tightly you pack the cup. Just grab some damn spinach. You'll see how much it is when I put it in there. Then I have one of these little cute key limes. This is a really simple juice recipe, yes, but it is not skimping out on the benefits, you guys. This juice is really great because spinach is packed with vitamins A, C, and K. It's also great for your bones, great for cognitive function. And then we of course know your apples are a great source of fiber. Regardless how you feel about juicing it and taking out the fiber, there is still some soluble fiber left in the juice, okay? Apples are also a natural diuretic. So yeah, this juice has plenty of beneficial properties. First, we're gonna put our spinach in so we can have our leafy greens at the bottom. And we have our key lime here, and I'm not going to peel it. Key limes have very, very thin skin, so it doesn't release as much like essential oils as a regular lime would and make your juice really bitter. Just toss this whole thing in there. So that happened quick. I left for like 2 seconds and it was already done. So this made about 12 ounces of juice. Let's give it a try. I feel like this one's gonna be pretty tasty. It smells great. You can really smell the lime in it. Delicious. I like this. I'm telling you, that green apple. Apples will do some things, okay? If you're juicing all leafy vegetables and you throw an apple in there, you might have just saved a day. Now, once you do a green juice with no apples, you really in the game, all right? But we didn't do that today. Go ahead and drop a comment down below if you would give this juice recipe a try. Make sure you subscribe before you go, and I will see you for the next juicing recipe.